Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin the repair process, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft brush, and isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Start by turning off the robot vacuum and removing it from the charging dock. Next, flip the vacuum over to access the bottom panel. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the panel. There are typically 4 screws, so keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the panel off to expose the internal components. Now take a moment to inspect the battery connections. If you notice any corrosion or loose wires, this could be the source of your issues. If you're unsure about the diagnosis, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, check the motor and the brushes. Remove the brushes by unscrewing them and clean any debris that may have accumulated. Use the soft brush to gently clean around the motor area. If the brushes are worn out, consider replacing them. If you don't have the tools for this, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you. After cleaning, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Place the bottom panel back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fastened to avoid any rattling during operation. Before you power it back on, take a moment to clean the sensors located on the front of the vacuum. Use a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol to gently wipe them clean. This will help improve the vacuum's navigation and performance. Now, turn the vacuum back on and test its functionality. If it still doesn't operate as expected, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We offer a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. In summary, repairing your Xiaomi robot vacuum can be straightforward with the right tools and a little patience. Remember to keep your vacuum clean and well-maintained to prolong its lifespan. If you encounter any difficulties, our services are here to assist you without the hassle of calls or travel. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.